say, just speak of my times in apartments and the way I was raised. I tried to be hard, so the minutes for play. The relationship between moms and pops, yeah, started this way. At one time I hated my life, so I stayed out late, cause school the next day wasn't okay. Life gets a bit harder than I'm telling right now. Being in an apartment with no table or even a couch, this is real life, not trying to relate. Saying blessing to my God if mom prepared a hot plate. For some reason she told me I'll be something great, but the way my grace was being displayed had me thinking, no way. I never thought God was fake, always knew he was real. When he provided for the fam and he paid the bills, God came and changed my life, and he showed me he's real. I'm itching and scratching my life so you can see how it feels.
He's real.
He's been real. Never make no mistakes. I deliver with mom juice, went deliver with pops upstate. For God knew the plans that he had for me. Let me not tell you yet, I'm painting the picture, you see. Moved up to grade 4, back to 3 in elementary. No focus on school due to clips of pornography. I needed to be free, I was stuck in this world. Yep, it was Jabo chasing those girls. Well, besides those girls, I found me a church. Or should I say church found me and to help my hurt. Gradually, God started to work. Eventually, I started reading his word, because it made me wonder why I wasn't struck with thunder. But instead I pondered why he would wrap me in love like anacondas on my back like a book bag. Cheers me up when I'm sad. He's real, not fake like a Bucks throwback with no tag. He's real.
He's real.
After the struggle of living in trailer parks, God sent me 2 people that changed my heart. Yeah, that's right, this is dedicated to you. Caleb and Jen accepting me when I was going through some of the worst times of my life, when I wanted to take my life at night. Jesus Christ, through their prayers, helped me to see the light. Please pay attention to the main parts of my testimony. The purpose is to reach out to you if you're feeling lonely. The God that I serve is the only God that is love, and he puts the sun up at the right time every morning. He's real, and he showed me in his word when he died and conquered death and then rose in the third. He's real when life throws you a curve. He knows I'm not perfect, put me back on the road when I swerve. He's been real, taking care of me and the herd. Overall, he gave me life and I really didn't deserve.